Guys, naliligaw na po kami.
Hindi namin alam na
Hindi naman maglalaro yung suot niya na team. Hintik na kami di makanood.
So, ang inis ka ni Kuya, sabi, scanned na daw yung QR code. Oh my God, talaga. Hello everyone, good morning. So today is May 18. It's already 9:36 a.m. I just woke up ng 9. As you can see, I look so... Today, I'm going to try to vlog for real. As in, I've been trying to vlog for the past few weeks and sobrang nahiya pa ako sa labas mag-vlog. Kaya hindi ako nakakuha ng magandang footages. But hopefully today is the day. Because today is the day I meet Cake. So I haven't seen her for years na. We're gonna watch a movie and we've been dreaming of watching this together. And finally, we're gonna watch it in a few hours and we're so excited because we're gonna watch Haikyuu, the garbage dump battle. The dumpster battle? Or the battle at the garbage dump? I don't know. There's too many alternative titles. Oh my God, I'm so excited! So, I'm just gonna prepare kasi magkikita kami ng 1 p.m. Oh my God! See, nag-alarm ako because I need to make sure I wake up before call time namin kasi mabagal ako mag-ayos. I need at least 2 hours before leaving the house to prepare myself. So yeah, I'm picking her sa Southwoods later ng 1 p.m. And then we're gonna go. Okay. I'll see you later. Bye. I'm so awkward at this. Hi guys, I'm back. And it's currently 12:39 p.m. And I just finished doing my makeup, curling my hair, and wearing my jersey clothes. My bangs is just not giving again. What? Anyway, the context of why I'm wearing this jersey is because what we're watching today is an anime, and the movie is about a volleyball match between 2 schools, which is Karasuno versus Nekoma. What I'm wearing is a Fukurodani jersey. Yung Fukurodani na team kasi, they're not, obviously, hindi naman sila yung maglalaban doon. My favorite character sa buong Haikyuu is from the Fukurodani team. Hence, why I'm wearing this. I also have, of course, the jacket of Karasuno. It's been 3 years or 4 years. Yung last Haikyuu na episode, that episode leads to this movie. And for those years, hindi ko nalaman kung sino yung mananalo sa game. So this is a big moment for me and I'm just so excited and I'm just waiting for the go signal of Cake before I leave the house. So yeah. Okay, so it's already 1:24 and Cake is already on the way. Alis na din ako because I have to make pagas pa. There. Hinara pa, staro. Si Kuya nandun. Wait lang, Kuya. I'm trying to vlog. Okay na kayo? Okay. I'll go to Cake na. I'm late. Okay, let's wait for her. Let's wait. Oh, I see her! Yeah!
Oh, she's Hi! Today! Ayan pala yung sinasabi mong new toy mo.
Together. Ay, naka-zoom. Oh, your jacket is here.
Yeah. Finally! Naipon na siya ng naipon.
Hala, it's so cute! Ah! Tara! Go to SM.
Guys, naliligaw na po kami.
Hindi namin alam kung nasan kami. Namiss namin yung exit ng... Ano ba doon?
Kasi na tayo.
Ika lang.
Ay, hindi. Nasa main road na tayo. We're safe.
Main road lang. Ano?
Somewhere.
Yung sa ano?
Feel ko traffic kasi sa complex. Kaya dito niya tayo pinadaan. Pero syempre, huwag ka magtiwala sa taga-Cavite.
Ay, talaga ano? Very Karasuno.
Buhok, hinata. Damit, tobi.
Tapos pala nag-highlights ako na. Yung white! Ano sa buhok ko naman? Sino ko alam?
Sino?
We're here. Say hi. Hello. This looks yummy, oh. Yung mga ganito ba?
Saan yan?
Sa dulo.
Anong page?
21. Okay, hi. So we're in, how do you pronounce this? Yayoi. She wanted Japanese restaurant, so.
I think people think we're weird kasi naka-jersey ka.
People think we're...
Guys, look at her. Alam nyo ba, hindi naman maglalaro yung suot niya na team. Yeah, so guwapo there.
Guys, ganap na ganap kami. Dito kami sa Decathlon.
Service ice.
Guys, we're gonna try the ano, whatever this is.
Ay, sobrang taas. Kasi nga, kasi sobrang taas.
Guys, look.
Ano mas cute? Yan.
My favorite picture is this one, the second one. Hi.
Order.
Her in her element.
Ito mahal.
Hi guys.
Muntik na kami ding makanood.
Oh my god, kwento namin later. Bawal mag-ingay eh. But we're here already and we're gonna watch. Oh, diba? Ang layo namin. Doon dapat kami, oh. Kaere to. Napabili.
Sure kaya. Ba't kasi si Shoyo lang?
Sabi ko kay Shoyo.
I know. Pero bakit siya lang kasi meron?
Mashi clothes. Okay, let's pay for it. Dapat pa ganitong oras eh.
Yeah. Kanina kasi ang daming kids.
May filter naman siguro to, no? Sure.
Natalikod ulit tayo.
Nakagana naman. Okay, ready?
Gugo na tayo.
Time to be Korean. Ganyan na sa'yo. Ano bang coffee? Kasi parang, ano, American express. Ay, sinipa.
Sarap din ba?
Isa lang ang coffee nila.
Pareho lang naman sila, no?
Yeah.
Tiga? Yeah.
Okay.
Paano natin gagawin yung...
Kaya nga eh. One.
Kahit po nung nasa kulay green, pwede na po siya isama kasi ito po yung mga flavors para
So cool. So cool. Ah, may ano sila doon. Doon natin haluin.
Ay, sorry. Wait lang, tatay pang kopi. Bango.
Parang sa gugulaman. Yung slush.
Ano? Wala nga.
Ah, wala ba?
Wala, may hill.
Ooh.
Ay, sorry.
Anyway, kasi feel ko sa system talaga ng SM yun.
Wala kami kasalanan kasi never naman kami.
So, ito na nga.
Lalit.
Everything reminds...
Everything.
May 18 talaga yung dapat na date namin.
Which is today.
Yan, it's today. We book kasi online. Tapos walang 18, hanggang 17 lang yung dun sa website. I had to email SM pa to make sure na wala ba talagang for May 18. Tapos ayun, nagkaroon. So I ordered na. And then, I don't know if mali ko ba na hindi ko chinek. Pinaska na namin kanina. Mga 5:20.
Yeah.
20 na yun eh. 5:30 yung time namin to watch. Pinaska na namin yung ticket. Iniska ni Kuya. Tapos yung iniska ni Kuya, sabi, scanned na daw yung QR code. Oh my God, talaga. Bakit scanned na? Tapos parang chinek ni Kuya yung ticket namin. Sabi, May 15. May 15 yung nakalagay doon. Nagpapanik na ako. As in, kinwestiyon ko yung sarili ko, ha? May 15 ba yung binuko? Kasi parang imposible naman na May 15 yung ibubuk ko.
Oo, kasi naghihintay nga tayo ng May 18.
Oo, and then you went to your friend.
Tapos my friend also experienced the same. Na online sila bumili and suppose na same day as us. Pero May 15 din yung nakalagay na date for them.
So I really feel like,
crazy.
I feel like it's SM's fault.
Ay,
Ang ganda nung seat namin. Nung kami sa gitna nung sinehan. Inassist kami ni ate doon sa counter. Sabi niya, pagbibigyan ko po kayo, pero next time, i-double check nyo na, ganun. So, parang gusto kong umiyak na Basta parang pinapili niya kami ng seats. May available pa naman. Nandun kami sa not pinakataas. Second to the, sa may gilid. Yun lang naman yung kwento namin sa tickets. I will still report the incident kasi grabe kayo, SM. Was not fun. May iniisip ko na nga yun. Hala, paano yun? Hindi kasi parang iniisip ko na parang sold out.
Kaya nga.
Hindi pala. Ang dami pang seats na available. Pero syempre yung...
OA kami.
Pero yung...
Ayaw namin sa baba.
Yung good seats na taken na. So parang wala lang. Kaya nga online ako bumili para hindi na ako magpila-pila tapos makipag-unahan sa mga tao. But that... ayun na. Ayusin.
EXO pati BTS. I love you, Kyungsu.
Today was a fun and stressful day. Show them the time.
It's 8:54.
Sinulat kasi next ulit. Oo. Let's talk about the movie that we watched.
Love nyo Haikyuu. For sure, iiyak kayo dun.
The scene. It's so emotional and funny.
Yeah.
Sobrang funny.
Nakakatawa siya actually. Lalo na kasi parang ang tagal-tagal natin sila di nakita. Kala mo buhay?
Pero kala ko the movie is gonna be super serious.
Yeah.
No?
Nakala ko sobrang intense na like volleyball scenes and all. I love na hindi siya puro kay Hinata nakafocus. I mean, hindi sa Karasuno.
Alam mo, every time each team na mag-point sila. Sobrang...
I'm rooting for them.
Kahit Neko magano.
Parang di mo alam sino yung team mo talaga. Kasi nang healthy nga nung competition nila. Parang pag nakaka-score yung isa, parang hinahangaan pa nila na, ang galing na niya bigla. Di ba?
Usually, mga ganyan...
Maiinis ka.
Oo.
Inarizaki. Sorry! Guys, I love Inarizaki.
Yeah,
Pero ayun, sobrang nakakainis kayo yung laban nila. Yeah, ayun lang. We enjoyed, pero di kami magsaspoil kasi baka mamaya.
Balak niya panoorin.
Yeah.
Pero pag nakita niyo si Akashi, off limits.
Kayo.
Off limits, ha?
Tapos yung setter nung Karasuno, yung number 9, hindi yun magaling. Huwag kayo maniwala doon. Hindi yun magaling. Also, si Kuro. Hindi siya magaling, guys. Huwag kayong titingin.
Bakit yan book niya?
Tapos ang ganda nung animation.
Oo.
Nakaka-goosebumps yung mga natalon-talon sila. Tapos ang ganda ng angle. Tapos yung kay Kenma talaga.
Grabe yun.
Kay
Grabe
Kenma.
yung sa ending yun. Sobrang.
Kaya wag basta. Naiyak. This one. Kamay lang pinakita. Lumuha.
Pero grabe kasi yung impact doon ng...
Grabe.
Okay. Yan lang. Para talagang we were watching a game.
Yeah,
no?
exactly. Ganun yung feeling. Yeah, we enjoyed.
We did.
Manood kayo kung lumabas tong vlog ni Mick ng showing pa siya.
Mina matagal mag-edit.
Nang showing pa siya, guys.
Ilalabas ko tong vlog pag may new movie na. We're just gonna do a TikTok. We're gonna TikTok the ranking thing.
Yeah,
Diba you
yeah,
want?
please. Bye!
Magbababay pa kami later. I'll just drive her home and whatever.
Guys, may nangyari na naman.
Wait
Guys,
lang.
may nangyari na naman po. Bago pa kami makalabas ng parking. Mga ilang minutes na yun? 5 minutes.
5 minutes.
Tayo, nasa gilid lang. Tapos pinapanood lang kami pinapanood kami ng guard kasi...
Hindi makita yung parking ticket.
Yeah. Tapos ano sabi sa'yo ni Kuya?
Ingat, Miss Beautiful. Alam kong maganda ako, pero...
Pero please. So next year na kami makikita para po tahimik yung mundo.
We're ending the vlog here because I have to go home.
Bye. We will see each other soon.
Bye. Go first. Asan si Tobio? So cute.
This is Tobio the setter.
Ang cute. Malay mo, girlie. Ay.
Ay. Hello.
Bye.
Bye.
Say bye.
Bye-bye.
Okay. Hello everyone. So apparently hindi pa tapos ang vlog because it's a week after we've watched Haikyuu. It's also Saturday. It's May 25 and in a bit you'll know why kung bakit di pa to nagtatapos. I'll just wear my shoes. I will be fetching Jane again because we're gonna see each other apparently. Wait a bit. Lalabas ko lang yung kotse ko, so wait a minute. I'm vlogging again. Hindi pa nagtatapos yung vlog natin. Okay, we're going somewhere. Mamaya na namin nagkikwento.
Ay, umalis sila. Ayaw nga na tayo katabi.
Bakit sila umalis? Mali ba tayo ng ano? Tama ba? Parang mali tayo ng parking.
Bubuksan ko ba?
Oo. Mali. Wait lang.
Tama.
Kaya pala tayo tinitignan. So technically sila yung mali, no?
Oo.
Kasi sinundan lang natin sila.
Kasi tinitingnan nyo kami. Ito naman si ate. Wala talaga nangyayaring maganda pag magkasama kami.
Okay na.
No, ano?
Okay, so we're back in SM Santa Rosa.
After 1 week.
After 1 week, magkasama kami ulit.
Yeah.
Sabi namin, a year dapat.
Pero kasi yung SM, masyado kaming mahal. So, they sponsor na.
We emailed them about our experience. Kung mabot kayo dito, thank you. You already know the context.
Yeah.
Tapos they got back to us and told us na bigyan nila kami ng free tickets. Sabi nila, we can give you free movie tickets any movie you like, gano'n.
Pero syempre, maliw kami. Ayun pa din yung papanoorin namin.
Yes.
Ba't kami manonood ng iba sa sine?
11:30, 1 hour, 12:30 namin. So, kain muna kami and then we're gonna go.
Pinapapak ko yung minsan naman.
Guys, nabawasan yung card ko twice. Magrereklamo ako. Pero kasi mag-start na yung movie, so nabalikan ko na lang siya dito.
Yeah.
Guys, we're gonna watch na.
Hi! Ang ganda ng seat na.
Gitnang-gitna talaga kami. Thank you, SM. Thank you, Jazz.
Thank you po.
Show them our best seats.
Guys, wala kang katabi.
Literal best seat. Oh my God! Oh my God! Yes!
Sabi pa tayo. Then you mix it. For me, it's good. I don't know if you like it though.
Thank you.
Sila gas.
Ay, nako.
Hirap magkasama.
Last na to? Okay, wala na kami sa SM.
Good thing na binigyan nila kami ng compensation for the hassle.
Yeah, so thank you so much. We enjoyed it.
Again,
Again. So ngayon, dito kami sa Mamplasan kasi...
we want to show you
Oh yeah.
ang aming budol for the
Budol.
day.
Nang budol kasi si Jane.
Ala!
Kasi, anong pangalan ng store?
Surplus.
Surplus. Nadaanan namin. And nakita niya yung display. Nandun si Deku sa My Hero Academia, if you guys are familiar.
Iyak ang weeb natin mo.
We checked. Wala siya. Nandun lang siya sa display. So, we had to go around the store para makita kung nasan siya. May nakita kami. Ano lang siya? How much? 300?
Yeah, 300.
300 lang to. So cute!
Yeah, it has a strap. Yeah, pero siguro by the time na i-post ni Mick to, wala na siya. Surplus.
Para di niya mabili. So, parang ganda, guys. Super nice.
Water na kami.
Thank you, Jazz and
Thank
SM.
you, Jazz, again. So lang nga sabihin na super biglaan tong gala na to.
As in, super. Parang nung Thursday ata or Wednesday, di ko sure. Sabi ko, hoy, I got us the free tickets. Ganon. When are we watching?
Saya talaga na wala kaming katabi. Like, buong row.
Oo, as in.
Kasi impossible talaga na walang kukuha nun. Kasi ang ganda ng pwesto.
Oo, maganda.
Like, gitna siya
Very eye level.
Yeah, gitna talaga siya gitna siya nung gitna.
Ah.
Do you get it?
Okay, we're gonna end in a bit. At mag-chichikahan muna kami ng slide.